Welcome everyone. In this video, I will show you how you can find credential for your Google Drive, Google Sheet, and any Google application. Okay, how to do that? When you connect your node Google Drive, okay, and you want to create a new credential here. How to do that? Okay, you can click here to go to Open Doc, go down to Google Cloud, and here you might choose your account. Okay, click on console like that, and you'll get access to the console cloud app. Okay, here you have different projects. If you get access here for the first, you don't have any project, you can click to create a project like that and name the project maybe like that and create the project. Okay, and after that you can go there and click to select your project. If you do one click, you'll be connected with this new project. Okay, and now you can go here. Okay, go to API and go to off consent screen. You click on it and you click on get started. Okay, you want to create a new app here. You want to create maybe demo app like that and add your mail here. Click on next, external, next, and add again your mail. Okay, copy here, paste it, click on next, check this, continue, and click on create. Okay, you'll create a new app. Okay, after that you want to go to here. Okay, audience, you do one click on it. Okay, and you go down, you click on add users, and you want to add your mail here as a users, and you click on OK, save it, and it's okay. After that you want to go to here and find the app you want to find the information. Here you need client ID and client secret. Okay, so you can go here, click on Google, write Google Drive to find it, Google Drive API. Okay, you go there, you enable it. Okay, okay, Google Drive is enabled. Okay, now you can get a credential. You can click here, create credential, or you can go here, API credential. Okay, click here or go there and click on new credential and click on off client ID. You choose web application, you go down and you click here, and here you want to add this code. Copy this code, goes here and paste it like that, and go down to click on create. And now you will get information, client ID, you copy it, paste it here, client secret, you copy it, you paste it here, and you can save. Also go there, click on sync with Google and choose your account, and you click on continue, check all, and continue, and it's done. You have found all information about Google Drive. Okay, so your Google Drive is connected, and now if you do one click here, you'll see all information of your Google Drive. Okay, let's go for the second. Okay, for the second this Google form, you want to create a new credential. It is the same. Okay, here you can go again to here, and that you don't need to create a new project. Okay, once your project is connected, you go directly here and find Google Doc API. Okay, enable it and go down, go there, it is enabled. Okay, so you can go to create a credential here, create new credential, off and web, and click here, add this, this, go there, paste it, and click on create, and you'll get those information for your Google client ID and Google and client secret. Click here to connect again your account and continue, check all and continue, and it's done. Google Docs is connected, and depending of your project, you'll know that you can add here, but to create a credential, this is the way I show right now. Okay, let's go for Google Sheet. It is the same, but sometimes you're having to go to API to do many things here. You can directly click here and connect it, and connect it like that. Let me close this, close this. It is okay, it is okay, all are here. But if sometimes you don't have any information here, you need to go in your app and your account and find Google Sheet and click on it. Some option of Google Sheet can ask you to enable and before use the API. Okay, so once, if you must use a Google app here, you need to go sometime enable the API. Okay, and you can use it. Let's go for Gmail. Okay, for Gmail, you can click here and do the same for as you done for Google Sheet, and it's very easy. You connect all and it's okay. So this is those two ways to connect to create a new credential for Google app. Okay, the first is you create a new credential and you go to Google Console, Google Cloud. You click on Console. Okay, very simple. You create a project, a new project if you don't have it, and once your project is connected, you go there and click on off, and here you create your information about this project. You go to audience, you add your information here, and it's done. After that, you go to find the API you want to use, you enable it and create credential. I think it's very easy. If you are new, this is how you create some information about your credential with Google app. So you are finished with this simple tutorial. Is to give you some functionality of n8n. Okay, we create information about n8n functionality, and we create video about full project, how you create AI agent. So don't forget to subscribe and like and share. Don't forget to subscribe and like and share. Don't forget to subscribe and like and share. See you next.